Hi folks, one for YouTube. Got a quick crowd study. This is on Fabriano, £130. So let's see, quite slick. Somebody said it was 30% linen rag and the rest cellulose, but it's a good cheap paper, good studio paper. Put a bit of raw sienna in there. Make sure I haven't got the mute on or anything. Right, clean the brush. Have a bit of blue in there. Right, bit of yellow. Right, put a bit of cloud in there now. So just a little bit of blue poking through there. I'll put a bit of water in. Okay. I'll give it a dry. Okay, that's a start. I've gone a bit too heavy for that, I think. But we can always lift a bit of that out. Just a bit of wind ruffling. Let's put in a bit of background trees. I'll use a small hake for that. Well, we all like autumn, don't we? A bit of red in there. Lovely little brush this small romance and hake. I'm going to put a bit of burnt umber, a bit of green. You get quite a bit of green on trees that are turning brown, or they're turning more yellowy brown, aren't they? It's quite a thick paint. Getting a bit low in the raw sienna, ultramarine and burnt umber, burnt sienna. It's getting quite tricky to buy cheaply because you're all buying it. So this could be anywhere, couldn't it? So let's put some. You can always put a bit of blue behind that just to stretch it out a bit. Okay, let's put some hard banking, greeny bank. Bit of blue, bit of yellow, bit of sienna, bit of panes. Nice green. It's not good having a sky with nothing to support it. You know? Thankfully, this all dries a lot lighter than when we put it on. It's all about controlling the amount of water in your brush. If it's too watery, what you put on will just bleed into the background. Oh. Right, okay, let's I'm going to lift out along. I'm going to dry it. Oh, forgot, didn't I? Forgot the wretched mute again. Right, I'll lift out some of those. Just for a few little strokes in there. I've just used, I put a bit of blue in behind the trees, and I've added some green, very dark green silhouette. It really is a good rich dark from the cad yellow and the burnt and the Payne's grey. You know. Okay. I'm going to give that a dry. Shout at me if I forget the mute again. I'm going to make a modification of that water. It was blending in too deep. I'm going to lift it out, some of it. I'll put in a bit of foreground. So I want some tissue. This lovely brush, Alan Wren sent to me. Now, you all know Alan, don't you? Can't get that clean. Oh, my water's filthy from the previous painting. All right, let's just scrape a little bit of that off. Right, I'm going to just try to put in a bit of reflection. Just bring that reflection down a little bit, just to spread it. Right. Right. Right, let's put in a bit of foreground now. It's a bit of marshy stuff there. Okay, that'll do. We don't need to do any more than that. I'll put a couple of birds in. That's all I've got time for today. Let's put a bit of white gouache. Oh, yes, excuse me. Just put a bit of reflection of those there. I'll sign it if it's worth it. And I'll put a mount on it and we'll have a look. Okay, put it in a mount. Mounts. Okay, well, there we are. Let's just take you up a bit. I think that's fairly accurate, actually. I'll just take the brightness down a touch, but I think it's because this is almost white, this mount. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, guys. Oops, got the horizon. Bye for now.